Want website that look amazing? Join the CSS Trunk. Learn layout, responsive design, animation, and drill project. Start today and build beautiful page in this week.
Tired of plain old website? The CSS track teaches you how to turn static pages into polished, responsive experiences. In this course, you master flexbox and grid style beautiful components, create smooth animation, and build real projects for your portfolio. No fluff, just hands-on lessons, cheat and projects you can show employees ready to code with confidence. Sign up the CSS track today and make the web look the way you image.
Meet the CSS Truck, your fast practical path to designing beautiful responsive website. Whether you're starting from scratch, want to level up, this truck covers everything you need. Modern layout technique and flexbox and good responsive strategies for screen size. Take typography and color system and that actually work and subtle animation that delight user. You will follow step by step. Lesson complete 3 real project and get download cheats and code samples by the need you want to just now. Proud to share, join now, starting building today and bring your ideas to life with style, space are limited. Enroll in the CSS track now.
Want website that look professional? The CSS Trunk teaches you modern styling, layout, responsive design, and animation with short hands and lesson. Build portfolio, project, and get practical cheat sheet.
Start the CSS track today. Build beautiful sites in weeks.
Enroll in the CSS Track. Create responsive professional page.
Level up your front end skill. Join to CSS track now.